Here's an exclusive view into the factory here in Shenzhen. Let's go in here. We are in Shenzhen, just outside Shenzhen. They're building some devices. And here, they're making. She has some cables there. And there's something that's going on with the screen. Going here, you can see putting this thing together. This guy's and here's soldering iron, and he's mixing something inside. And there's supposed to be finished. So he's fixing the keyboard on. So as you can see here, it outputs thousands of laptops every day and does a whole bunch of tests. So let's see more over here how they build all these. Over here. So they're putting stuff together. Hello. Yeah. He's doing with his hands, screwing something. These could be buttons, could be it goes inside somewhere. Using a special chemical. So we're getting closer to the totally finalized laptop. Her job is putting it back. And shipped out. Let's check some more what they do over here. Waiting for our components. So that was the factory here, the Hongda, and all these are stocks going to be shipped out over the world. They sell in many different countries, and so this is what happens in Shenzhen. You get your stuff made really fast, cheap. You can make millions of these devices if you want millions. And these are laptops, Intel-powered laptops, and so that was behind the scenes here at Shenzhen. So unlike the Foxconn factory, the workers are allowed to leave at 5:30 in the evening. The whole factory is closed here. So this is the factory area. It's a technology park here outside Shenzhen. And we're gonna try. Going to try to find a taxi. It's possible, maybe there might be some, might not. So all the people around here might be working in factories. Lots of small factories around here. So that's the technology center here outside the Hongda factory.